Good evening. Welcome back. Thank you for watching me succeed or fail. Had more fails than successes lately, so we shall see. It was a bad day for watching soccer, unfortunately. Barcelona lost, and Leverkusen tied, and yeah, it just wasn't a very satisfying soccer weekend. So, but I didn't have to work, so that's nice. Well, today's Sunday for me, so I've got 2 weeks, basically, when I go back to work tomorrow, of Christmas shoppers, which I gotta say, so far, everybody's been very nice. I haven't had anybody personally yell at me. People seem to be in a decent mood considering everything going on. You know, everything costs an arm and a leg, and you know, if you have family that lives somewhere where something's going on, that's not good. And yeah, but I know around us there's a lot more people with Christmas lights up than there have been for years. So that's a happy thing. Maybe people are just trying to brighten their little corner of the universe. So that's about all you have control over, unless you're, you know, Bill Gates or Mark Zuckerberg, or, you know, somebody that's insanely rich. All you can do is worry about yourself and take care of the people you love. So I hope that is working out for you also. Not doing too bad here. No real complaints, or at least not any that matter at all. So, all right. Whoops, I've got the wrong light on. There we go. Oops, and then I'm missing another light. Luke, there we go. All right, let's see how that looks. That is better. Let me get rid of that one. There we are. Now we have lighting, but not too much lighting. All right, so got black. This is a 16 by 20. I have pearl white, and I have snowflake. Maybe it's just got a tiny bit of blue in it. And I have some cerulean blue, and I have some ultramarine blue, and I have some of this cool, what is it? Deep Sapphire, the Deco Art Metallics. I love this stuff. It's really nice, that I got from my brother and sister-in-law last year. So, still got some of that left. So, for this stuff, I watered it down a lot because I just want it to move. I'm going to use the hair dryer, but I'm going to try and just put a little bit down and just blow it as far as I can. I was going to start with, I'll start with this one. Just going to put a tiny little, It's not quite what I was going for. That's okay. Sometimes what I'm going for is not what's good anyway, so all right. Oh, apparently I didn't water this one down as much as I needed to. That's bad. Oops, shucks. And now I can't pour. Yeah. So I'm going to put just a tiny little, jeez, this is, oh yeah. All right, we're just gonna put black along the sides here. And then we're gonna fix this part here because that's just ridiculous. So I know how we celebrate Christmas here in Wisconsin and in the United States. I found out some of the interesting traditions that they have where our exchange student lives in Spain, in Catalan. What unusual, well, unusual to me, interesting traditions do you have? Feel free to let me know. I like hearing about that. Our favorite, hearing from Julia, was Cagatillo. Feel free to look that up, because if I tell you, you won't believe me. Why would you believe something about a magic pooping log? And they also have another holiday right after Christmas on January 6th called Three Kings, for the three wise men. So that was another fun thing about having an exchange student, learning about how other people do things. So, all right, here we go. Let's get fancy with it. We're gonna blow the black over first. So I'm gonna say my favorite parts are these parts here with the white with the little dots here. So thanks for watching.